In this video, I'll show you how to increase your social media engagement level, and there are 15 ways how you can do it. Getting engagement of your followers depends on the social media platforms you use. Know your audience. Understanding your target audience and what they like will help you to tailor your content according to their preferences. Be consistent. Regularly posting content on a schedule will keep your followers engaged and looking forward to more. Using visuals. Posts with images and videos get better engagement than those without. Ask questions. Encourage engagement by asking questions in your posts and responding to the comments. How are you getting engagement to your social media contents? Please share your thoughts. Run contests. A contest or a giveaway can increase engagement and grow your following. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers in your niche can introduce you to a new audience and increase engagement. Share user-generated content. Sharing content created by your followers can increase their loyalty and encourage more engagement. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Use hashtags. Including relevant hashtags in your posts can help them to reach a wider audience. Post at optimal times. Schedule your posts when your audience is most active can increase the visibility and engagement. Utilize live videos. Live videos can get more engagement as they offer a real-time authentic experience. Offer exclusive content. Offering exclusive content to your social media followers can increase their engagement and loyalty. Create a community. Encourage a community by responding to comments and creating a discussion-based posts. Use humor. Adding humor to your content can make it more appealing and increase engagement. Keep it short and sweet. Keeping your posts concise and to the point can make them more easily digestible and increase engagement. Stay current. Stay up to date on trends and current events and use them to create relevant and engaging content. I hope by implementing these tips, you can increase your social media engagement and connect with your audience more meaningfully. Please click the link below if you want to build a website using pre-made templates.